Hello. Yeah, so I'm having some issues with my lights. Seems like all of them went off. Look at this. Nice. All of my lights went off on the same side. The headlights. Let's So obviously I need to, we need to change. So I did buy these two lights, but I wanted one for the one that will be for the cornering as well. When you turn, it turns on. That one went off. That was the first one that went off. Then the second one was the low beam. Yeah, just like that's what the dash is saying here. Low beam is gone. So we are going to, let's see, yes. Need to open the bonnet. So we gotta change that. But this one as well is off. So the seller said that bulb and this one are the same, because when you turn, this one actually turns on. It's a cornering light. Not so sure how those works anyway. So let me switch off the lights. Yeah, this should be easy. Oh my god. Don't they look the same? They look different. Compare. Yeah, they look different. I'm gonna try the other one. This is the indicator. The one that we want is here. We have to look for this one. So this is the cornering light. Maybe it's the high beam. Yeah, this one they look the same. Today I don't have those proper gloves that I usually have. Don't know where they are. So just have to do these surgical gloves. Okay, that was easy. This is my first time installing light. Yeah, putting it back is the tricky part now. Managed. Let's do our test. This is the old light. So two of them costed about £5. Yeah. Oh, there we go. I not connected the connector. Don't know if you can see it, but otherwise you have to remove the connector. I hope we don't forget to put this back. So I have to put this back now. Let me switch off the light. Oh, look. I don't know if you can see that. So that's the turning light there. So the right one doesn't work. So that's the one that we need to replace. I like the theme that Hyundai uses, the blue theme. The blue Hyundai theme, you know.